It's cereal night at Denial's household.
Dinner, love it.
Dinner. This is dinner.
In 3 months, it's alright.
I just thought I'd let everybody know that I, in fact, live with a toddler.
I sealed it.
A toddler.
I sealed it. It's sticking out, but I sealed it.
Okay. Ready? Help me. What are we making today, Dad?
Banana bread.
Banana bread. Recently found this incredible recipe on none other than TikTok. I think I've been putting off like making this banana bread for a solid week now. So the bananas are like really ripe. How can you tell if a banana's like overly overripe? Do we know?
Oh, it's
Liquid. So my bananas aren't liquid yet. So it looks like we're gonna see if we're actually gonna be making banana bread here. It's not like disgusting. Guys, my dad is cranky. That's why he's not talking. You seem cranky.
I do?
Yeah.
Dang. I'm just like stage help. You pay me well.
Welcome back, everybody, to my kitchen. I think I've made this banana bread how many times, Dad? 4? Is brown sugar supposed to be that hard?
You almost have to put it into a bowl and like stab it.
Oh, you're getting another bowl of cereal?
Yeah, is that a problem? You made the raisin bread look so good.
Are you picking out your raisins?
Some.
Give them to me. I feel like so many people are gonna bully me for liking raisins.
We love cereal.
We love cereal. I like don't eat cereal fast enough for it to ever be crunchy or crispy. I'm the slowest eater I think I've ever met in my entire life.
Oh, what?
My dad's calling me a loudmouth. I'm gonna preheat the oven. Wow. Alright. Cheers. Pandemic bread, right? So first, we're gonna deal with our dry ingredients. Ew, I hate long pauses between like broadcasting interviews where like it's kind of delayed and she's like,
Yeah.
Today, I literally, well, I had physical therapy, so like that was, I had physical. Well, first of all, Ohio just cannot seem to make up its mind in the weather department, as per usual. And I swear to God, it literally poured, like, all morning. It literally, like, monsooned. Monsooned? Monsooned. Half a teaspoon. I don't want to, like, get out a teaspoon. I feel like that's, like, a lot. Is this salted butter, Dad?
Yeah.
Baking soda time. And then I got home, posted a video, and then went back out and had sushi and cookies with Eve. Okay, so that's straight up not gonna work. That?
No.
3/4 cup of unsalted butter. Okay, we can do that. We can do that. I'm like pretty sure that's right. I could be totally 100% incorrect with that one, but light brown sugar. I'm gonna have to literally like saw this in half to actually get it into a cup, but that's fine. That's fine. Seasonal depression is not it. When it's sunny, I'm happy. When it is raining, I am, oh, that's disgusting. That is just a block. Yummy. Banana bread on a budget, baby. So yeah, back to my seasonal depression. Not only has the weather not been cooperative, but it just like hasn't been good lately. That's why I'm making banana bread, actually, to cure all of my sadness and problems in my life. That seems like enough. We're just gonna stop there before it gets any worse. How have you guys been? I really, okay. Oh. Comment down below how you're doing. Let's have a conversation, okay? I would love that. That'd be so cute.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Okay, 2 eggs. When I was little, well, I still like am little, but when I was like younger, I wanted to be a baker when I was older. All I did on the weekends was watch Rosanna Pansino videos and like beg my parents to buy me new like baking goods. So like I got this stand mixer when I was probably in like 6th or 7th grade. I have no clue. And I was like super into baking. I have like 2 of Rosanna Pansino's cookbooks. I made like those really fancy like French macarons, you know what I'm saying? Like those. Yeah, that was a pain in my ass. I literally had a breakdown over those cookies for no reason at all. This isn't even like cereal anymore. It's literally just mush. I really hope the bananas are good. I'm nervous. This is like the end all be all moment right here. I probably should have done this like before I started actually baking. That would have been the smart thing to do. Okay, wait, okay, wait, okay. They like smell weird. Well, they smell like banana. Like they're like fine.
Don't poison me.
I will try not to poison you. Thank you so much for all the encouragement, Maddie.
You know the vibes.
I'm familiar with them.
Oh, that's...
Are they really that bad?
Well, no.
They're not bad? Oh, I'm so disappointed.
Yeah.
I thought they were gonna be way browner and mushier
I'm
than
so
that.
glad you're hoping that I don't make this.
They
So glad
did,
you were
but they're-
wishing that I was gonna fail. Okay, yummy. Look at that. Tell me you don't just want to dig right in. Now, this is where things start getting crazy. Ew, look at this shit. So now it's time to do this fancy trick that I learned off of TikTok, of course. So basically you take a piece of parchment paper, right? And then you like make a line, and then you... No, this is a PG channel. Oh my god, wow, look at that. It's actually coming together. I'm a professional. Wow. Here it is. Yum. Don't look like that. Okay, wow. Okay, so now that we have our beautiful, incredible... Wow, yum. Okay, that's hot. It literally takes a good, like, hour. For what reason? So I put it in for 40 minutes, and now I have to wait. So I'm gonna clean up, because I definitely made a mess, because... That's embarrassing. So I'm gonna clean up and I'll see you guys in like 40 minutes. You guys are lucky. You guys only have to wait like literally like 2 seconds because I'm just gonna edit it and then it's just gonna like come together all magically. Anywho, I'll see you in 40 minutes. Anyway, she's looking great. Oh my god, holy shit, dude. I still have supposed to be 10 minutes left, but I'm like really anxious and I like have 0 patience left. I think I'm gonna test it, like, you know, stick like a toothpick in it. Holy shit, this looks so good. Oh, it's like literally like wobbling. It's like not even close to being done. I think I'm gonna give it the rest of the 10 minutes. I'm really impatient. Holy shit. So basically what happened here was that I was impatient and I decided to take it out once, then it wasn't ready, so then I took it out again and then it still wasn't ready because I'm really impatient as fuck. Why did I just open the microwave? Am I okay? Oh my god.
Hello. Test her. Ah! Look at how clean.
I hate having to wait for things to get cool.
I know, I just want to eat it right now.
You could.
I mean, you could.
It probably wouldn't go well.
No.
Remember when Dad was on that like audiobooks going to New York?
I'd rather listen to music.
Well, if he would listen to music, he'd be listening to Christmas music.
When White Christmas was in his mowing the lawn playlist.
Literally a week ago.
White Christmas and AC/DC. What?
He loves me. He just doesn't. He loves us. We're a big happy family. I swear we are. He's leaning away. He's leaning.
Baby, ready? Oh, am I gonna take it? So.
People are literally gonna be like, this is animal abuse.
It's okay.
Eat up.
Stop torturing.
What's that? Wayne's glasses are never in their case.
He didn't listen to Mom's Rhyme. Did you know Mom's Rhyme?
Mom's rhyme? I was gonna make like an Easy mac and cheese, but it was expired. That ruined my night. Do you guys want to see the banana bread? I don't even know if you guys have like seen it yet. Look at her. It like looks really bad. Wait, okay, that looks good. Cute.
Naughty, give me a White Claw.
Dad came out the second I asked for a White Claw. I thought I'd let you all know.
Wow.
Oh my god, shit, I just dropped butter on my floor. Oh no, that's my bad. I would like you all to avoid the fact that there's definitely cat hair on my plate. Wow, incredible. I feel like you have to put butter on banana bread. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I sure did. Comment down below what food you guys want me to make next because I am so down if it turns out like this every time. I'm gonna go be happy with my banana bread. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. Hope you guys have a beautiful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much. I love you. And I will see you in the next one. I'm not gonna do a peace sign. Okay, bye. Just want to meet you.